people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you a DIY facial that you can easily do at home within 30 minutes. And the major ingredient is mint. Mint is a very amazing and special ingredient because it has numerous benefits for your skin, and it is going to leave your skin refreshed, rejuvenated, hydrated, and beautifully glowing. Before we go any further, if you are new to my channel, my name is Anthea and I love having you here. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and turn on that notification bell so you will not miss any video that I post on my channel. To make this amazing mask, you will need about 10 to 12 clean, fresh mint leaves and a small piece of cucumber about 2 inches, and then half a tablespoon of honey. Blend the mint leaves and the cucumber together and make a paste. Add the honey to the paste and mix well. Apply directly after cleaning your face. Mint has antibacterial properties and also contains salicylic acid, which effectively prevent acne. It also contains vitamin A, which controls the production of oil in oily and acne-prone skin. It brightens the skin, hence it can aid in removing dark spots, dark circles around the eyes, blemishes, acne scars, and all the other dark patches that you may have on your skin. It hydrates the skin, it tightens pores, it soothes irritation, minimizes signs of aging, it helps to get rid of blackheads, and it also tones the skin. Leave the mask on for about 20 minutes and then rinse off with cold water. Please watch my DIY cucumber face mask video for more information about the benefits of cucumber for your skin. You can do this very amazing and simple facial 2 times every week. That is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you keep coming back. And if you haven't subscribed by now, please do not forget to do so. Leave me a comment below, share, and give me a thumbs up. See you next time.